Texas Democratic Congressman Lloyd Doggett says the stakes will be higher than ever when the Supreme Court takes up the Affordable Care Act on Tuesday.
During this time, awful time of COVID-19, of a pandemic, is about the worst time possible to be without access to a family physician and health insurance.
The High Court will hear oral arguments in California v. Texas, a case to repeal the ACA. Republicans argue the legislation is unconstitutional, but Doggett says taking away health coverage during a health crisis would be devastating for the millions of Americans who rely on it.
Those people who've been hospitalized, and there's sadly too many of them in our community, they come out of the hospital often with some really big bills.
This is the third time the ACA has been challenged in the High Court, but this time it will be heard before the most conservative panel of justices the court has seen in decades.
I'm not hostile to the ACA.
Last month, Senate Democrats grilled now Justice Amy Coney Barrett during her confirmation hearings about how she would rule, and if pressure from the president, a critic of the ACA, would impact her decision.
I had no conversations with anyone in the White House about that case. To the extent there's a suggestion that I have an agenda that I want to strike down people's protection for pre-existing conditions, that's just not true.
Once oral arguments are over, a decision is expected by the end of June. In Washington, I'm Anna Warnicki.